If you want to know how to get free traffic from Facebook, then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so and hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss a video every time I upload one. I publish videos every week and I always create content that is going to help you make a success online. Now, this is video number 4 in a series of 10 videos that I am making to show you how you can get free traffic from Facebook. And what I mean by free traffic from Facebook is basically how you can make money using your Facebook profile, your Facebook account. So I've already shown you how to optimize your Facebook profile, how to post on your Facebook profile. And in this video, number 4, I'm going to show you what you have to do to get people to see what you are posting, to get what we call engagement on Facebook. Let's go.
So here's what you're going to have to do. In order for your posts to be shown to as many people as possible, you need to be seen as interacting on the platform, okay? Don't forget, Facebook is a very social platform. They want you to spend time there, right? It's a bit like a bar, okay, or a nightclub or something, okay? They're going to like the customers who hang out there a lot, regularly, who talk with other customers, who I don't know, who make people laugh, right? They're going to see you as a good customer if you turn up regularly, if you interact with other customers, if you're a nice person to have around, okay? It's the same thing on Facebook. If you hang out on Facebook, if you leave nice reactions, nice comments on other people's posts, then Facebook is going to push events, okay? Does that make sense? So remember, like the way I said last week, you need, for this strategy to work, you need to post regularly, like every day or 5 to 6 times a week on your profile. You need to post, post good posts and rotate the kind of posts that you publish on your wall. And then the next step is, of course, you have to interact with other people's posts. Otherwise, you can have the best posts in the world. If they're not shown to anyone, it's not going to get you it's not going to do you any good, right? So roughly 15 minutes before you post your post, go into Facebook and scroll down your wall and, your newsfeed, and interact on the posts that grab your attention, that you like. Okay, so I actually interact, at the moment, I interact a lot in groups. So Facebook is actually showing me a lot of group posts on my newsfeed. But of course, what you want in this case, you want attention to your personal profile, to your wall. So interacting in other group posts is not really going to do you any good. So scroll down until you find, if that's what's happening for you too, scroll down until you find friends' posts and interact on those. So, for example, in my situation, there you go. I've scrolled down. Now I've find a post from a friend who puts a fairly short post. So I've given it a love, and I would probably just leave a comment like, that's a great goal to have, let's say. I put something that's really related to the post, okay? Then I'd kind of scroll down, find again another post of a friend. There you go. He's saying, good morning. Who is grateful? What are you grateful for? So there I would give it a love and I would say, yes, I'm feeling super grateful today, grateful to be alive and grateful for my thriving online business, let's just say, right? Put something that's related, put something that really is related to what the person's posted, okay? There's nothing worse than posting something about, some people will say, I'm devastated today, my cat died, right? And you see these reactions, well, it's like, awesome, bro. And you kind of think, hold on a minute. I mean, this is a woman who posted about her cat dying and you're saying awesome, bro. That's completely wrong, right? So always, make time to read the post, to give an appropriate reaction and an appropriate comment. Do that for roughly 10-15 minutes before you post your own post. Now, another very important bit, so don't leave just yet, just watch this video until the end. Another important bit is, once you've posted, let's go to my to my page now. Once you've posted, make sure you regularly respond to the comments that are posted, that are published on your post, right? So what's going to happen is, because you've interacted on Facebook, Facebook is going to show your content. Your content is going to appear on your friends' news feeds. Now, they are then, of course, going to come and do the same that you did, right? They're going to give your content a like or a love or a care or a laugh or whatever. And some of them are going to leave a comment. Now, when they leave a comment, make sure you say thank you kind of thing, or you reply. Now, you don't have to do this immediately. What I usually do, what I found works best, especially when I used to do this strategy a lot, which I don't anymore, but when I used to do this strategy a lot, I would reply very quickly to the first 2-3 comments that I got. Okay, when I was doing this strategy really properly, I would very quickly, within the first 5-10 minutes, I would get reactions and comments, and I would reply to those first few comments quickly. Then because I have a very busy life, I'm not on Facebook all the time, right? I would log out for a few hours and I would check back in regularly throughout the day, maybe 2-3 times in the day, and then I would reply to a few comments at a time. Some posts get a lot of comments, okay? So it can be, on the one hand, it can be really exhausting to be replying to the comments all the time, but also it boosts the post every time you reply to a comment, okay? It shows Facebook that this post gets a lot of interaction. So, I would reply to, 5-6 comments, then leave it for a while, then come back in a few hours later, and then do the same again. And that, I must say, ensured that, the post got seen for quite a few days and got quite a lot of comments and interaction. Keep in mind that this doesn't happen overnight. You will not get massive engagement overnight when you're using this strategy. As you can see, for instance, with me, what's happening now is I get a lot less engagement than I used to, because I'm not using this Facebook strategy a lot anymore. Or at all, really. I'm just posting whenever I feel like posting because I like posting on Facebook and I do want some people to see my content, but I'm not focused on Facebook. So what happens is I get a lot less engagement on my posts. As you can see, I posted this yesterday and only got 5 reactions, 6 comments. But that's kind of normal. If I were to start posting again, to use the strategy I'm teaching you, if I were to do this again very regularly over the course of the next 7 days, but by next week, by Monday week, I think I would have a lot more engagement on my posts again. So you have to give it time. That's completely normal. Don't get discouraged if you do this strategy and the first few days you don't get a lot of engagement. Okay, I hope this makes sense.
So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel. Before you go, wait a second. Don't forget, this is video number 4 in a series of 10 videos. And Facebook free marketing only works if you implement all the pieces of the puzzle. So make sure you stay tuned for the next video that will be published next Monday, video number 5. live. In the meantime, if you have any questions, either ask them in the comments below this video or click the link to join my Facebook group. There's a link in the pinned comment underneath my video, this video. I am in my Facebook group every day and I will help you out in there. Please feel free to join. So I'll see you next week. Bye for now.